Meet Amy, property manager extraordinaire for a large firm with 30 buildings in her management portfolio. Amy is onboarding a new client building when she discovers a problem. The old management company did not complete the correct fire pump testing on each of the fire pumps located throughout the building. Now Amy needs to know where each of these fire pumps are immediately to let her vendor know and to make sure she can get her fire safety up to code ASAP. Luckily for Amy, she uses CriticalAsset, the all-in-one interactive smart floor plan software that serves as the single source of data for all your facilities. With CriticalAsset, Amy can find the exact location of all the fire pumps in her building and where the water should run to from any device, anywhere, thanks to our cloud-based capability. Then, with a simple point and click, she can see the name of the asset, the date it was created, and all the service information for that asset. After Amy's vendor completes the proper fire pump testing for each of these pumps, all Amy has to do is update the service information in CriticalAsset and set a reminder to schedule next year's testing. Now Amy's new building is up to code, and she's firmly in control of the asset management for her entire portfolio, thanks to CriticalAsset. Book a demo today to see how CriticalAsset can empower your building operations team.